Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of DIY smartwatches and exploring why building your own might just be the coolest thing you do this year. Now, when most people think of smartwatches, they probably imagine sleek designs and fancy features. But what if I told you that building your own could be the ultimate way to ensure privacy and customization? Let's find out. First things first, building a smartwatch from scratch is no easy feat. It requires a whole lot of creativity and technical know-how. Take Redditor core_156, for example. They decided to take on the challenge of creating a DIY smartwatch, and the results are impressive. The project is centered around an ESP32 WROOM32D microcontroller, which is essentially the brain of the smartwatch. This chip is connected to a whole bunch of components, including a 240 by 280 LCD display, an accelerometer, a heart rate sensor, and even a vibration motor and speaker. Now, what makes this project truly unique is the level of customization it offers. With a DIY approach, you're not limited to the features and designs that big brands offer. Core_156 has already developed several clock styles and even a Tetris clone, proving that the possibilities are endless. But it's not just about the fun of building something yourself. It's also about privacy. When you build your own smartwatch, you know exactly what's going on inside, which is a huge relief in today's world of data collection and surveillance. In my opinion, this DIY smartwatch is a game changer. It's not just about the technical achievement, it's about the freedom and control it gives you. You can add or remove features, customize the design, and even create your own apps. And let's not forget the satisfaction of knowing that your device isn't spying on you. So, if you're feeling adventurous and want to take control of your tech, building a DIY smartwatch might just be the next big thing you try. What do you think? Would you be up for the challenge?